student, welcome back to our NIEPS home school. Hope you are safe and sound at home. This is Shilpi Shah, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Mission School, Morning. Dear student, today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is creative question 1 and 2. Today I will discuss these two questions. So let's get started our class. Class 6, subject home science, chapter 3. Our today's chapter's name, home management. Okay. In previous classes we have already discussed this chapter. Today I will provide you creative question 1 and creative question 2. Now, creative question 1. Rina's mother is a school teacher. Her wish is to make Rina a doctor. To achieve this goal, she has prepared a plan for her daughter and taken necessary steps. Question number 1. What should we do before starting any work? Question B. What do you understand by home management? Number C. What necessary steps should Rina's mother take? Explain. Number D. Explain the mother's role in achieving the goal in light of your textbook. Now answer. Here are given answer. Creative question answer 1. Number A. Before starting any work, you should prepare a plan. Number B. What do you understand by home management? Answer. The planning, control and evaluation of the use of different resources like human knowledge, intelligence, time, energy, etc. and material, money, land, furniture, etc. for achieving goals are called home management. In other words, home management is a combination of steps and it is a sequential working method. Number C. What necessary steps should Rina's mother take? Explain. Answer. Rina's mother has to work a lot to achieve the goal. However, proper management is required for this. The first step includes thinking of why, when and how the work will be done, who will do the work, etc. This step of the management process is planning. Implementing the planning is another step, which is called control. The last step is analyzing the achieved work, whether the work is a failure or a success. This step is called evaluation. Rina's mother should take these 3 steps to help her daughter. 4. Number D. Explain the mother's role in achieving the goal in light of your textbook. Answer. Rina's mother thinks of making Rina a doctor. That is why she takes necessary steps in advance. She has admitted Rina in science group. She looks after Rina's studies. She has kept a home tutor for her. In addition, she pays attention to whether she goes to school regularly, completes both her class and homeworks. She encourages her to study well. Therefore, Rina's mother plays a vital role in achieving the goal for her daughter. Now, come to the next question. Question number 2. Rita and Geeta are students of the same class. Rita goes to school every day with her textbooks and exercise books according to the day's routine. On the other hand, Geeta fails to follow her teacher's instruction for coming with textbooks and exercise books, not according to the day's routine. Question number A. What is the first step of home management? Question B. What is meant by unplanned work? Number C. Which of the management step is reflected in Rita's attitude? Explain. Number D. Geeta's attitude is an obstacle to her success. Explain. Question number 1. What is first step of home management? Answer. A. Planning is the first step of home management. Question number B. What is meant by unplanned work? Number B. The work that is done without any prior thinking or planning is called unplanned work. The time and sequence are not fixed in an unplanned work, while it lacks any goal or objective. It is the opposite in nature to planned work. Number C. Which of the management step is reflected in Rita's attitude? Explain. Number C. In the given scheme, the mentioned activities of Rita reflect the first step of home management, which is called planning. Thinking out why and how a work must be done and who will do the work comprises of the planning process. Rita plans ahead for the school work for next day. She organizes the textbooks, pens and other instruments in her bag as per the class routine. As a result, she can abide by her teacher's instruction with ease and responsibility. Number D. Geeta's attitude is an obstacle to her success. Explain. From D. From the given stream, we can observe that Geeta does not work in an unplanned manner without any prior thinking. The time and sequence of an unplanned work is not fixed, while it lacks any goal or objective. This was evident in her activities. She never organizes her books according to the class routine and thus often takes the wrong books to school. As a result, Geeta is unable to follow the teacher's instruction in the class and fails to grasp the subject well. This eventually will affect her result. If she continues with her unplanned way of doing work, she will never be able to attain success in life. To be successful, she must have to do everything in a planned way. So that's all for today's friend. Our today's homework number 2 and topic creative question AB from 1. So friend, hope you have understood our today's topic. You have to do your homework at home and submit on your due time. So see you next class.